Hello humans, Mr. Eshelman with a video lesson that is meant to give you an overview of how to use your digital notebook for one of my computer science classes. So I have up on my screen an example of the digital notebook that each of you will have of your own for computer science essentials. And this also would apply to somebody in one of my other computer science classes. So first of all, this is your notebook. It is your own copy. All right, so I want you to personalize it. Here you're going to see some text that says your name. I want you to replace that text with your name. Things I normally put in red text are meant for you to replace with your own personalization. All right, also all over the place, if you've got places you want to insert pictures or drawings, things to make it your own text to help you out, that's fine because it's your notebook. Okay, however, the way this is going to work ultimately is right now this is just kind of a starter notebook for you, and it's got about 7 pages that you should read to understand some basics about the notebook and some things about the class. All right, so you should read them, but ultimately you are going to add to your notebook more and more and more. When you get to the end of this section, the next thing you're going to add to your notebook will be copying and pasting in a template for the activity you're working on next. Okay, so as we do more and more activities in Project Lead the Way, I will assign templates in Google Classroom that look something like this. And when I assign it, I want you to open the new document, select everything in the document, copy it, go back to your notebook, go to a new page in your notebook, at the bottom, and paste that in. Then you will be following instructions in the template that you just pasted in to complete a new activity. Sometimes these activities are going to take a couple of days, sometimes a week, all right? But basically you are following templates to complete activities, and you get a running notebook of all your work that you're doing in my class. And I get a place that I can go and look at the notes you've taken, look at the way you've answered questions, look at how you've attached screenshots when you're asked to do that. And it helps me review, give you feedback, and give you grades for your work. Okay, so that's the main purpose of the notebook. A couple things to point out here. All right. See, I like to view the document outline. That's how I'm going to navigate your notebook. I will set up the template so they've got the headings set up so that when you paste things in, you can just jump to the different sections, and so can I. I do that by using heading text for the headings. When you're taking regular notes, you would use normal text. Okay? But in using normal text, you can color it how you want, you can highlight it, you can do all those things. That's perfectly fine. You can personalize this as much as you want. A lot of times it's not just about taking notes by typing in text. You can copy and paste in text from Project Lead the Way. You can take screenshots and put them in here. You can insert pictures, whatever you want to do to help your learning and to help get across the point of the questions you're answering. All right. So, bottom line, this is your notebook. I will be reviewing it. Taking notes is important. Getting a good collection of your work that you can review is going to help you learn. I am going to use comments in this notebook when you turn things in so that I can give you good feedback. And that's the way it's going to work. All right. Hope everybody has a wonderful day.